Hey Kayo dealers, this is Josh at DataOngoing, and this is a quick introduction to your new versatile dealer portal. It has a lot of functions and is designed to streamline business processes and make life easier for everyone involved. We really think you're going to like it. To get started, you'll locate your invitation email that's sent to the email address that's registered with Kayo USA. It looks like this, and all you need to do is take down this verification code and click register. You'll be taken to this page. The verification code goes right here, and just fill out some basic information and hit sign up. When you first log in, if you have both portals available to your user account, you'll be met with this available portal screen that shows both the KO dealer portal and the KO financial portal. If you only have one portal, you'll be taken directly into the portal that you have allocated to your user. On the sidebar, you'll have links to the available portal screen, to account settings, where you can update your password and see your account details, a change theme to go from dark mode to light mode, depending on your preference, and of course a logout button. If your user has access to multiple entities, this drop down right here is how you'll select between the different entities you are a part of. Now let's take a look at the KO dealer portal. All information shown is real-time and comes directly from KO USA's source of truth. At the top, you'll have a unit order history that shows a history of all of your orders, including relevant statuses, ship dates, carrier, and tracking information. Anywhere you see this export button, you can use to export the data into a spreadsheet for your own business purposes. Next, you'll see a section for VIN warranty registrations. It also comes with a history. To create a new registration, you'll hit the Create button and fill out all of the relevant information, starting with the VIN, of course, and hitting the Save button. Next, you'll see a section for MSO requests, also comes with a history. To create a new MSO request, you'll hit the Create button, fill out the information, MSO replacement, select a VIN, and then of course the reason for the MSO request, and hit the Save button. Next, you'll see a section for interstore VIN transfers, comes with a history. Hit the Create button, fill out all the information, and of course hit the Save button. And finally, the last section is in-stock inventory. The next tab is the Purchase Parts Order tab. It comes with a history of all sales orders as well as all invoices pertaining to purchase parts orders. To create a new purchase parts order, you hit the Create button. Fill out all of the information and add all of the parts to the list. Use the search function to narrow down your search and then add any items you would like to the sales order. Update the quantity, hit Add to Order, and then once you're sure you're ready to go, hit the Save button. The third section is the Warranty Parts and Labor Claims section. The first three sections all function the same, they just ask for different information. The warranty parts request, the for engine replacement claims, the for shipping and concealed damage claims sections. Each section has a history. To create a new one, you'll hit the Create button. Fill out all of the important information, and then add the relevant items and hit the Save button. One important call out for these sections: once you have created these requests or claims, you'll find them in the history and hit the View button. Then you'll find the File Upload tab and upload any pictures or relevant documentation so that your claims can be processed in a timely manner. For labor reimbursement claims, there's a couple extra steps to point out. Of course, you'll have a history. You'll hit the Create button to create a new one. Once you are in the creation screen, you'll use the list at the bottom to add in all of the items that were replaced in the job. So say the piston rings were replaced and the intake manifold was replaced. You would add them to the list here. If any parts previously purchased from Kayo USA were used that you want reimbursement for, you would add them to this section, and you would use the following format, say part 123 and part 456, separated by a comma. And here's where you put the order it came from, say sales order 123 and sales order 456. Part 123 coming from sales order 123 and part 456 coming from sales order 456. For all hours that don't have a matching item that you can pick, they will go into the miscellaneous hours. The total number of hours here, and then a description goes in the box next to it. When everything's filled out, of course, you'll hit the Save button. The history in each section includes an approval status or order status. Once the status becomes approved billed and an invoice is created, you'll find them all collected down here in the warranty invoices section. At the very bottom, you'll see some service links. The fourth tab is for parts return requests. In this tab, you'll see a section to create a new parts return request, as well as a history of all parts returns at the bottom. To create a new return, find the history of all of your fulfilled orders. Click Transform on the order that has the parts you want to return. Verify the information and that you have the correct order. Click Create Return Authorization. This will allow you to specify the quantity on each item, the return reason. If you received the wrong part, it lets you put what part you actually received, and of course, update the resolution that you prefer, and hit Save. The last three tabs are just the links and information that you're familiar with from the previous Kayo dealer portal. For those who have the Kayo Finance portal, this is where you'll find all the very important financial information that Kayo USA wants to share with you, including customer monthly statements, unapplied payment and credit memo details, unit invoices, purchase parts invoices, warranty parts invoices, credit memos, all unapplied or partially applied credit memos, and all unapplied or partially applied payments, all can be found in the Kayo Financial Portal. Thank you all for your time. I'm Josh at DataOngoing, and we hope you enjoy working in the new Kayo Dealer Portal.